Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss logical operators in C programming. So let's get started. The logical operators are used to perform logical operations on the given expressions. And logical operators are used with binary variables. They are mainly used in conditional statements and loops for evaluating a condition. Now moving further guys, an expression containing logical operator returns either 0 or 1 depending upon whether the expression is true or false. Logical operators are commonly used in decision making in C programming. Logical operators are used to combine and evaluate two or more conditions. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss types of logical operators in C programming. Guys, there are three logical operators available in C programming. First one is logical and it is represented by double ampersand. And the second logical operator is logical OR and it is represented by double pipe operator. And the third logical operator is logical NOT and it is represented by exclamation sign. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss these logical operators one by one. Guys, in logical AND operator, if operand A is 0 and operand B is also 0, then A logical AND B will be 0. And if A is 1 and B is 0, then output will be 0. And if A is 0 and B is 1, then A logical AND B will be 0. And if both A and B operands are 1, then output will be 1. So we can say that if both operands are 1, then output will be 1. Otherwise, we will get 0 or false. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss logical OR operator. Guys, in the logical OR operator, if an operand A is 0, B is 0, then A logical OR B will be 0. And if A is 1, B is 0, then output will be 1. And if A is 0, B is 1, then output will be 1. And if A is 1, B is 1, then A logical OR B will be 1. So we can say that if both the operands are 0, then output will be 0. Otherwise, we will get 1. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss logical NOT operator. Guys, logical NOT operator is used to flip the value. If the value of operand is 0, then it will convert to 1. And if the value of A is 1, then it will convert it into 0. Now guys, let's do some hands-on. Guys, in this program, we will learn about logical operators. So we have declared 5 integer variables A, B, C, D and E. And the value of 1 logical and 0 will be stored to A. So the value of A will be 0 and the value of 1 logical and 1 will be stored to B. So the value of B will be 1. The value of C will be 1 because 1 logical or 0 will be 1. And now the value of D will be 0 because 0 logical or 0 will be 0. And at the end, the value of E will be 1 because logical NOT 0 will convert the value of 0 to 1. So the value of E will be 1. Now guys, if I run this program, it is printing the values of A, B, C, D and E, and that are 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1 respectively. I hope it is clear to you guys. Now moving forward guys. Guys, in this program, we will learn how can we use logical operators to combine more than one conditions. So I have declared an integer variable A and I am taking input from the user with the help of scanf function for this variable A. And this statement will be executed if these two conditions will be true. And we have combined these two conditions with the help of logical operators. So if these two conditions will be true, then this statement will be executed. And if these two conditions will be false, then this statement will be executed. So now guys, if I run this program and it is requesting to enter the number, so let me enter a number. I have entered 5 then it is printing hello Arvind. Now guys, if I run this program again and enter a different number, let's say I have entered 15, then it is printing harvard.com. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.